In this project, we're going to be learning about taxes and how they apply to different people. The first tax or type of tax we're going to look at is called a flat tax. And it's just basically, if you think of it, anytime you buy anything at a store, you're paying a tax that's the same amount as everybody else. So sales and property taxes are usually the flat taxes that everybody has to pay, depending on state to state. So all we're going to do here is we're looking at Donnie is planning to purchase a new tablet for $750. The tax rate in the city is 5.75%. How much will the tablet cost him? So again, remember we're going to take that 5.75 and move the decimal 2 places to the left. So we're going to multiply by 0.575. Multiply that 750 by that number. That will get your tax. Then add the tax to the total to the price, and you get how much the final price would be. So this will be a fairly easy portion of the assignment and shouldn't take too long to complete.